Welcome back, dear students, to Standard 7 Biology class. Today, we will begin the third chapter of biology, that is, Kingdom Classification, Part 2. This chapter mainly deals with the last kingdom of five kingdom classification system, that is, Kingdom Animalia. What are the five kingdoms of five kingdom classification system? Kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. You have learned Kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi and Plantae in the previous chapter. That is Kingdom Classification Part 1. So in this chapter you will learn mainly about classification of animals, invertebrates and vertebrates. From the name itself, it's clear which are the organisms included in Kingdom Animalia. Yes, all the animals are included under Kingdom Animalia. It is the fifth kingdom of Whittaker's five kingdom classification. Kingdom Animalia comprises of organisms that are multicellular and are heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. You have learned about heterotrophic mode of nutrition, right? What does it mean? Organisms that cannot make their own food is called heterotrophs. This kind of nutrition is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So, animals are heterotrophs. Can you tell another character of animals? Can they move? Yes, most animals move from one place to another in search of food, shelter and for protection against enemies. All the animals are different in size and shape also. Among the animals, some have a backbone while some doesn't have a backbone. So, based on the presence or absence of a backbone, scientists have divided Kingdom Animalia into two groups. They are invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates are the group of animals that do not have a backbone. Vertebrates are the group of animals that have a backbone. In your textbook, in page 59, in figure 3.1, you can see the classification of Kingdom Animalia. Open your textbook and observe it. You can see Kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups. What are they? Invertebrates and vertebrates. What are invertebrates? Yes, animals without a backbone. And what are vertebrates? Animals with backbone are called vertebrates. Do we have a backbone? Yes. So in which group do we belong to? Invertebrates or vertebrates? Yes, we belong to group vertebrates. Invertebrates and vertebrates are again classified into smaller groups. Let's see what are they. The group invertebrates are classified into many groups. They are Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda and Echinodermata. Vertebrates are further divided into groups such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Group of similar organisms are included under each group. In this chapter, you will learn about each groups and which are the organisms included in each group and their characters. So, which is the last kingdom of Whittaker's five kingdom classification? It is Kingdom Animalia and it comprises of all the animals. Kingdom Animalia is further grouped into two categories, that is invertebrates and vertebrates. Animals without backbone are called invertebrates and animals with backbone are called vertebrates. Invertebrates and vertebrates are further classified into smaller groups. Invertebrates are classified into groups Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda and Echinodermata. Vertebrates are classified into fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. You will learn more about each of these groups in the next class. So we'll wind up today's class. Thank you.